Good afternoon, dear students. So welcome to RV online classes. So today I will teach you the classes. So that fourth class. So that is the chapter name is same. So that is numbers and numeration. So that is today's classes means I have discussed that. That is a concept in a basic concept. That is a place value and the face value. So face value and place value. So already you have learned in previous classes. So definition also already you learned the previous classes. Today's means just I will explanation in the definition. One example I will showing for one examples in both means that is a in place value and the face value. So that is afterwards I will explanation in exercise. That is one exercise. So that one C. Yes, students. So that is a 1C. First, I will explanation for that is the place value. Yes, students, though in place value means that is another name of local value. So that is the place value. That is another name is a local value. What is the definition of the place value means? The place value of that is a disease depend upon the position. Yes, that is depends on the position. So I wrote here 2 times. So it depends upon the position in A in the number. So in the numbers. Students, so what is the definition of the place value means? That is another name of that is the local value. So the place value means that is a depends on it, that is the position. That is the position means in best example. So I will show the one examples. 20,463. So what is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? Yes, the place value of 3. Yes, students. So what just you observe this is meaning of the place value. So what here depends on its position. On its position means that is just you take that ones, tens, 100,000. Yes. So this is a 3. That is a place value of the 3 means that is 1,000. 1,000 means yes, students. So 3 into 1,000. So what is the value? So that is the 3,000. So what is the value? That is a 3,000. So 23,463 means that is the place value of the 3 means that is 3,000. So this is the place value of the example. So place value means that is the depend upon to position. So that is a means the place value of a digit in a number. In the digits means the multiple by itself in respective places. Okay, that is the next means face value. The face value means that is the actual value. So that is this is the meaning of that is itself. The face value of the P. So the face value of a digit in a number, the actual value of the digit. Yes, of the digit. So best example of the face value means so. I will take one example 43,264. So, what is the face value? What is the face value of the 4? So, a student, just you recall the definition means that is actual value means. So, you will write the adjective numbers. So, what here? Ones, tens, 100,000. This is a 10,000 means 10,000 means what given the 4 means. So first you write the face value of 4. So that is adjective, that is a 4. Because you know that is a depend upon position means that is a place value. Means you will multiple of the position into that is a face value. That is adjective you will write that is example of the face value. Okay. So this is itself. In comparing the face and place value means the face value and place value is always 0. So both it means in a place value, so again that is a face value. This is a place, that is a face. Okay. So now I will explanation to in exercise. So yes, students, you open to the page number 14. That is a 14 page number. So this is just a basic concept, that is the face and the place value. Yes, students. So you know that exercise, that is a 1C. So exercise 1C. Students, so already I told in a basic concept that depend upon to some exercises given. So solve them. For first main what is the first main? Write the following numerals in place value chart. Place value chart means, so you will use the Indian systems. So Indian systems means you know that how many periods. So in your fourth standard is a 3 periods in total. Already I explained in fourth periods. So one period, 1000 periods, lab period and pro period. But in your classes give only lab periods. So in place value chart means you will use the Indian systems. Okay. That is the write the following. Write the following numerals in place value chart. Numerals in the place value chart. Yes, students, that is the place value chart. First one, what? So we use to right to left. You know that is the system. That is ones periods, thousands. Next we have to lakh periods. What is the first one question? So 6,63,057. B 85,692. So in C 76,007. Yes, students. So what the write the following numerals in the place value chart. Place value chart means we use the Indian systems. Indian systems means already I wrote one spirit is how many places? That is 3 places. Ones, tens, 100. So 1000 means how many places? That is 2 places. So that is a 1000 and a 10,000. Next is lakh and a 10 lakh. This is a Indian system. So you now have to you will use the Indian system of the place value chart. Yes, students. So here just you read this ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So we write the place value chart means. So yes, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So this is the answer. First one, so 7 is 1 places, 5 means 10 places, 0 is 100 places, 3 means 1000 places, 6 is 10,000, again 6 is a lakh. So this is the place value chart. So it already gave to numeral. You will write the, so that is what, yes. So given already I written that numeral numbers, again already just I wrote the place value chart. Yes, students. So yes, next B question also already I written. So just to solve the place value chart. Yes, students. So this is the position means that is a 10,000 is enough. You know the ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So we'll use the place value chart. Yes. So first means we have right. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Because how many digits? That is a 5 digit. 5 digit, you know, that is a 10,000 places. So we'll write ones places is 2, 10 places is 9, 100 places is 6. So 1000 is 5. So next is the 10,000 means that is 8. So this is the place value chart. Yes, students, already given to numerals. Just I wrote that place value chart. Okay, next. Next is the same method. You will use the same method. That is question 1. Write the following numerals in the place value chart. Place value chart means that you solve to in the same methods. Okay. Next, you again draw the place value charts. Yes, students, how many is that? So thousands, you know. Yes, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Yes, students. So 7 is the ones. So 0 is tens. Again 0 is hundreds. 6 is 1,000. So 7 is 10,000. So this is the place value chart. This is the first main. Yes, students. So first main means in already how many questions read means up to F question. So I will solve that A, B, C. So now I will give the homework for that. In first main, in D1, E1, I gave to today's homework. But F1 I will solve that. Okay. In F1, what is the F1 question? Students, you know done this. This is more easy because that you will use the Indian systems. So Indian systems mean F1 question. Yes, students, what is this? So 4,07,508. So we will write first place value chart. So how many boxes? That is a 5 boxes because you know 5-digit number. 5-digit means that is the first one is ones, second is tens, 100,000, 10,000. Again one. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So that means so 8 is the ones. So 0 means tens, 5 is the 100 places, 7 is the 1,000 places, 0 is the 10,000 places, 4 is the lakh places. So this is the place value charts. Okay, this is the first main is I solved that A, B, C and F. So I gave that first main D and E. The students, you don't forget. So this is just to remember D and E I gave the first main homework. So this is what that is the place value chart. Okay, yes students. Next I will solve the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Yes students, just you recall how many 100,000 means how many lakh in just you compare Indian and international. So Indian systems means in the first one places is only 3, one period is 3 places, but international means that each period is 3 places. Each period is 3 places. You know, once means once 10, 100. So 1,000 means 1,000, 10,000 is 100 and 1,000. How to here given what? So in the blanks, first one is A. So given the box. So given to what? Fill up the box. So dash tens is equal to 1,000. Yes, students, 1,000 means how many tens? Just you 100 rupees means how many 10 rupees? 100 rupees is that is a yes, students. So I will 100 rupees means how many 10 rupees? 10 rupees. 10 means 10 rupees. One 10 rupees, again one 10 rupees, again one. So total 10 rupees means that is 100 rupees. But here what asks the question means dash tens. So fill in the blanks in second minute. So question was first one. Write the box, fill up the blocks in tens is equal to 100,000 students. So 1,000 means how many tenses? Just you recall 100 rupees means 100 rupees means 110 10 tens. So here what is the question? That is 1,000. 1,000 means 1,000 means how many hundreds? That is 100 rupees. So that is 100 rupees. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Next means 1,000. 1,000 means 1,000 is how many hundreds? 10 hundreds. But here what asks the question? That is a tens. Tens means that is a 100 tens. 100 10 rupees means that is a 1,000 rupees. 100,000 100 10 rupees. How many have 10 rupees? 100. So that is the value is means that is 1,000 rupees. Okay. Next question. In B1, students in B, 10 tens is equal to dash hundreds. Yes, means 10 rupees. 10 rupees means that is 100 rupees. You know that is how many 100? Yes, that is the 100. Because you know, students, 110 rupees, again 10 rupees is 20 rupees, again 10 rupees is 30 rupees, again 10 rupees is 50 rupees, again 30 afterwards 40, afterwards 50 rupees, afterwards again 10, 60 rupees. So next is 70 rupees, next is 80, 90, last is 100. So total how many tens? That is a 10 tens, but that is a 100, 100 rupees. Okay. In next, in C1, so what is the C? So dash lakh is 100 thousands. The dash lakh is 100 thousands. So next, 10 thousands dash lakh. Yes, students. So now what? C means what? Dash lakh means thousand. Sorry, 100 thousands. So this is the 1 lakh. 1 lakh means so 100 thousand. So you compare to Indian your Indian system. So you compare the international systems. Okay. Next question. 10 tens means in a 10 thousands. How many 10 thousands? 10 thousands. Dash lakh. Yes, that is a 1 lakh. You know, 1 lakh. That is 10,000, 20,000, 30, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 80,000, 90,000. Next, 100,000. So that is a 1 lakh. So what students? 110,000 means that is a 1 lakh. So this is the second mean is. So complete. I will explain the second mean. Okay, students. Yes. I hope that you have understood the first mean and second mean. So just to use the place value and face value charts. Okay. So is now I will explain now. So that is the third main. Third main means what is the third main? In third main, various digits are shown in the following in a place value chart. Read the numbers and then answer the questions given below. So already gave to one box in your reader. Yes, students. So gave to your one boxes. So down is so ask two questions. So first one question what? So first I will write the questions in third main. The students, I not wrote the question in the main question, but I wrote just a number in third main. So what question? Various digits are shown in the following. So given to box. What here? First one question is given to a given box. That is a lakh. Next. So 10,000. Next is 100, 100,000. Next is 100. Next means tens. Next means ones. I wrote short form, students. So is A1. Here B, C. Yes. So and last one is D. Okay. So what first one? A means 4,503. Second one 56,832. Yes. Next means 98,105. Yes, students. So next is 6,67,637. So what is the first one question? So question first one, A1 question, students. So the place value, the place value of 5 in 4,503. So yes, students. So question what? Place value. Yes, just to recall the definition of the place value. So depend upon the position means you have to multiple to that the position. Given what? So the place value of 5 in the 4,500. This is the 5. Yes, students. What is the place value? No, ones, tens, 100. So what is the place value in 100? So 5 into 100, that is 500. The place value of the 5 is 500. So this is the first one. In a B, students have read upside in B1 question. So B question. The face, just yes, face means that is the adjective value, means actual value. The meaning of place value means of actual value. So 6 in 56,832. Students, so just you observe the question. In A1 question means given the place value. Place value means you take the multiple and depend upon the that position means that is a place. So this is what is the place of the 5 means that is a 100. Yes, ones, tens, 100. So 5 into 100 is that is a 500. But here what? The face value. The question is what? The face value. So face value means there is a 6. Yes, students. So the face value of the 6 means that is the actual value. So you will write the 6. Yes. The face value of 6 is, so that is a 6. A student, that is means if face is that is adjective. Okay. In next, in C, what is the C? So question is C. The face. The students are solving in A1 here. So B means upside. Now I will solve the C1. Okay. C1. The place value of 9 in 98,105. Students, so question what? Just you observe the question this. The place value of 9. So 9 means already I written the question. So 98,109. So I will on the circle 2. I draw the circle in 9. So 9 means what is the value? Here what? This is the place value. Place value means ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Yes, the place value of the 9 is 10,000. So answer, the place value of 9. So 9 into 10,000. That is the position is 10,000. So your right answer 90,000. 9 into 10,000 is 90,000. So the place value of the 9 is 90,000. But the place value of the 6 is that is a 6 adjective value. So in A1, the place value of the 5 means that is a 500. Students, so in third main I solve A, B and C. But D I will give over. In D means yes. So you solve to that in your own. Students, just you observe this exercise means you will write the classwork. Okay. Students, please understood this concept. So now I will solve the fourth main. Yes, that let us see that in fourth main. So very easy for fourth main. So fourth main, write the place value. Write the place value. Yes, the place value of both 3s. So in the number means how many 3s were in this question? So fourth main students. Yes, in number. What is the question? That is 3,25,316 students. So just this question is some different given to this question because write the place value of both. Just three as in the number. How many? Just you observe this number. How many threes? That is a two threes. So this one three, this one three. So question one. So you write the place value of both. So you will write first both means. So first you write the place value means this is a three you know. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So for one three means lakh places. Again one three means 100 places. Yes. The place value of three. So one three means that is a lakh students because this is a place where the position is that is a lakh means we will write 3 lakh. Yes. So next again one three means that is a 100. That is again one three means place value is 100. So 3 into 100 means 300. So 1 3 means that is a place value means 3 lakh. So again 1 means 300. So this is the fourth mean. Okay students. So now so fifth main. So what is the fifth main? You know fifth main in the 7,83,551. How many times is the 8 on the left greater than the 8 on right? Okay students. So this one question I will solve in now because you know just to think again this comparing and fourth and fifth question. So fifth question is some different. So some different means just you read in two or three times, just you think afterwards you tell the answer. One answer is just one word. First you think two more because the what question in 7,83,851. Yes, students. So just I will resume this question. I will write the fifth question. Fifth question in 7,83,551. How many times is the 8 on the left? Yes, on the left greater than the 8 on the right. It's right means in right side. So yes students, this is question 1. Just to think the question. So this is question 8 to 7 lakh 83,851. Yes. How many times is the 8 on the left greater than? 8 on the left greater than. Right side is left greater than. But here then the 8 on the right. 8 on the right. So here left greater than means here this is 8. But here what? Is the 8 on the left greater than 8? This is a what? 10,000. But here what? Then the 8 on the right. 8 on the right means ones, tens, 100. So what is this? How many times? That is 100 times. So this is answer means so 100 times. Yes, students. So today's classes is completed for that in exercise up to 1 to 5th main I will completed. So in 6th and 7th main, so I will continue in the next classes. So yes, students, just you already I gave the homework. Once again I will repeat. Already I written that, but I will repeat. I will writing from now. So yes, students, today's in HW. So first main in this exercise, in exercise 1 is the first main, that is D and E1. So second main only D1. So this is a today's in homework. Students, yes, that I hope this in this exercise and this concept you understanding for this, especially in place and place value and face value. Students, so thank you. Next, I will continue in the next classes this exercise in 1C. So 6 and 7 I will explain in next classes.